Okay, so pag-uusapan natin itong nangyari sa Senate hearing, Committee on Finance. Ito dun sa deliberation nito sa budget So syempre kailangan nandiyan at question yung kanilang budget at dito nga ah, sa totoo lang medyo andun dito yung appreciation ko dito kay Coco Pimentel kasi somehow andun yung pag-question niya regardless kung sino ka, 'di ba? Dito makikita mo tikom ang bibig ni dito, ni Senator Bato. Tignan natin, panoorin natin.
Mr. Chairman, what is your issue, Secretary, with the three bloggers? Sino to?
3 vloggers.
Hindi ko sinusundan yung mga vlogger na yun, pero nasundan ko yung issue na ipapakulong mo rin yung three
No,
bloggers.
sir.
Three bloggers.
Maybe the message is really the person that they interviewed a person wanted by the law. A person wanted by the law never appeared to respect the jurisdiction of our legal system. So they interviewed somebody like that. So may standing warrant of arrest po yan. But when you interview somebody like that, you're already telling the people it's okay to flout the law. And probably it's contempt of court, sir.
Ah. Meron na siyang sariling batas. Oo. Akala niya siguro dito ay mauuto niya si Coco or alam mo yung kasi nangyari na ito yung ganitong pamamaraan niyang pananalita o yung appearance niya sa Senado. Nangyari na ito doon sa Digamo Senate hearing kung saan nagsalita siya doon talagang kita mo parang in control siya sa kanyang mga sinasabi. Walang kakaba-kaba kasi nung Digamo Senate hearing na yun, walang kumukontra sa kanya. Sila Senator Bato, halos lahat sila doon tinatanggap yung kanyang sinasabi. Pero dito, it was the first time so far na nakita natin na meron talagang kumontrang harap-harapan, face-to-face dito kay DOJ. Kasi pag sinabi nating Secretary of Department of Justice, medyo atrasado yung dyan Kahit yung mga senador dyan, medyo atrasado sila. Pero itong si Coco Pimentel, nakita nyo naman kung paano niya tanungin. Sabi, parang ang dating ng kanyang pagtanong kahit sino ka pa. Di ba?
As I said in our press conference, it's contempt of court when you're telling people it's okay to disrespect the court by saying that saying many things without respecting the jurisdiction of the court, sir.
So is your issue against the three bloggers?
Nakita ninyo yung choice of words ni Coco Pimentel. Halatado mo na even bago yung sagot ni Boying Rimulya, halatado mo na hindi na siya pabor dito sa kanyang ginagawa. Anong term niya? So, your issue, sabi niya, 'di ba? Pwede mo namang sabihin na so ang issue dito, 'di ba? Kumbaga issue pangkalahatan, kumbaga dapat kung may pinaglalaban si Boying Rimulya, dapat i-imply nung nagtatanong na ito ay para sa bayan. Pero ang choice of words ni Coco Pimentel, so your issue with these 3 vloggers.
Bloggers.
Alitin natin yung term
On the
niya. Yung
is your
choice of-
issue against the three bloggers?
Of the court, sir.
So is your issue against the three?
di ba pinalitan niya, so is the issue, is your issue. Nakita niyo paano niya inangat yung yung pitch. Yung tone.
The issue is your issue against the three bloggers.
In-imply niya yung your issue. Kumbaga, ano mo yan personal mo yan
On the content of the interview or the mere fact of interviewing a person who has a
The mere fact of interviewing somebody wanted by the law and without disclosing, without being cooperative with the legal system, sir.
Diba, yung sabi niya dito, without
disclosing,
without disclosing. So, parang ang gustong palabasin kasi ni Boying lalo na nung siya ay nagpa-press con or interview, hindi na nila trabaho yun eh. Trabaho ng taong bayan na magsumbong. So, regardless kung magtrabaho sila o hindi, parang ganun eh. Kasi, pinag-uusapan natin dito ilang buwan na eh. Diba? 3 months from the issuance of warrant of arrest and even the the giving of a reward, hanggang ngayon wala.
Without being cooperative with the legal system, sir.
All of a sudden, it becomes their fault.
Di ba totoo nga naman? So biglaan kasalanan na ng nila. I mean, responsibilidad at trabaho mo yan bilang Department of Justice. You have all the intel and even the funds, confidential funds, intelligence funds. So, anong ginagawa nun? Abay, in-interview, tas gusto nyo akuhin yung credit na sila, nakausap nila yung tao, tapos ikaw, nakaupo ka lang dyan, aanga-anga.
Sir,
It becomes the fault of
sir,
the interview.
entitled to freedom. We have all our freedom. We will die defending freedom, sir.
Oh.
But when it comes
Naman
to
pala eh.
obeying the law and respecting the law,
I mean, ano ba yung nilalabag nilang batas? Na what law should they obey for you not to think that they are flouting the law? Oh, di ba?
I think it's something that we should also die for. We also have to make sure
Wait.
something that we should also die for.
Okay.
But when it comes to obeying the law and respecting the law, I think it's something that we should also die for.
Die for, yan. Mga matay ka na, kakahanap hanggang ngayon, wala.
We also have to make sure that people still respect our legal system.
Oh.
Iyan ang point ko, what was the law being violated?
Yun.
Because did they interview in person
Sir, it's just-
or Zoom?
sir-
Was it on Zoom or an in-person interview?
Oh, Senator Bato, magsalita ka naman. DDS yan. DDS yung mga dinidiin na yan, ha? Ikaw, ha? Huwag ganun. Porque naupo na kayo dyan, chill-chill lang kayo, no?
I'm not sure, sir, but it's direct or indirect contempt.
Hindi siya sure, pero meron siyang sinasabing indirect contempt. Hindi ka pala sure, eh.
Of course, sir.
Hindi pwedeng direct contempt yun. The direct contempt must happen right before the judge. Hindi
Indirect
pwede.
contempt. Of course.
Ayan, na-tackle natin yung direct contempt at saka indirect contempt, ha?
You didn't even know what happened and you already have formed that it's a possible indirect contempt.
I had it investigated, and that is what was given to me by our people.
Yan ang problema. Kasi kapag may mali, pag may may mapupuna, may nagkamali, sasabihin mo, that's what my people told me. So parang naghahanap ka na ngayon nung i-blame. So hindi na yung alam mo yun, umiiwas ka na pag merong kamalian. No? Kagaya nung nangyari doon sa Bucor noon, yung biglang merong nagwala, di ba? Anong sabi? Bigla kang nag-report na merong nawawalang kataroha, merong nakita doon sa septic tank, tapos yun pala na fake news ka. Paano mo i-develop, paano mo ikokorek yan at aayusin yung mga ganyang estilo ninyo? Kasi delikado yan, ha? Kasi yung sa press con ninyo, kumbaga ano na yan lagi fruit of the poisonous tree. Lagi kayong fake news, lagi kayong nagbabalita, pero yan po ay malaking pong dagok. Malaki pong epekto yan sa psychological minds ng taong bayan. So iisipin nila, ay terorista pala yun. Kahit hindi pa naman. Mamamatay tao na yun. Kahit hindi pa naman. Dahil doon sa mga inyong mga allegations. Prior to yung pagdinig sa korte, hindi pa naman.
That is the act. The act being given attention to is the lack of respect for the legal system, sir.
Mr. Chair.
But it's, I just make one pa bago ko malimutan. So it's just banggahan lang ng values ito eh. So the secretary invokes respect.
Okay. So, doon, inimply talaga ni Coco Pimentel na hindi ito usaping pang, ano yun, pangbansa or usaping kapakanan ng pangkalahatan or ng taong bayan. Ito po ay usaping values nung magkabilaang kampo. The vloggers and itong si DOJ. Di ba? Egos.
For the legal system. Well, and on the other side of the coin is free speech.
Okay.
The Secretary invokes respect for the legal system. Well, and on the other side of the coin is free speech.
Diba? So, walang absolute doon. Kung ini-invoke ni Remulla yung kanyang rights doon sa justice na sinasabi niya, paano naman yung kabila, which is the right to free speech? Senator Bato, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Salita ka na.
So, I do not know how they can be held to account for the fact of their desire to talk to somebody and
No comment?
was an outstanding warrant of arrest, and then siguro pinost ba nila ito online? Hindi ko napanood din actually because wala naman akong issue against them. But Secretary, you should find out everything.
Di ba pag laging nag-excuse me itong si Senator Bato. Lagi siyang may interruptions pag may mga ganito. Bakit dito? For the entire duration of this one, sa huli lang nagtanong lang siya. Isang tanong lang talaga. Kung sino daw yun. At nung sinabing si Bantag, thank you.
Thing before,
Sir,
before you say these things, pa-chilling effect ang resulta niyan eh.
Pa-chilling effect. Yun nga ang sinasabi natin, yung mga pahayag mo, very powerful yan eh. It's either you make a person or you break a person. It's either masisira mo ang katauhan ng isang tao or maiaangat mo. Kaya chilling effect talaga yan. Papogi, kumbaga. O ganun. Buti nga merong nanunupalpal na sa'yo dito sa Senate kasi for the longest time, ito yung pinaka first time na nakita ko na may sa'yo, nanita dyan sa pinaggagawa mo.
Sir, honestly, I try not to watch it because I'm the one being alluded to
I try not to watch.
in the interview.
Tapos sabi mo magka-filean mo ng kaso?
And I don't want to watch it. I don't want to waste my time listening to people who would just want to malign my person, sir.
Masakit, 'di ba? Masakit yung pinagmumura ka ni Bantag. Ganun kasi kasakit yung pinaggagawa mo sa kanya. Masakit pala mabalik eh. May paalam-alam ka pang pamalain-malain dyan eh. Anong ginawa mo doon sa tao?
So I asked the other people to investigate it for me.
You were the one, you have a footage, ikaw nagsasalita, you have that.
But we have possession of footage, yes, sir.
You've not even seen no, I saw the footage of you saying that you will file
Well, that's what we are trying to work on, sir. To ask the court to consider contempt.
To ask the court pala eh. To consider contempt pala eh. Ano ba talaga? Kala ko magpa-file ka ng kaso.
Because it is not something that we want replicated all over the country, that we glorify people who do not obey the law.
Well, at any rate, Mr. Chairman, siguro in due time that the theory of our secretary will be tested in
Ano na naman term ng ginamit mo? Grabe ka naman, Coco Pimentel. Bakit theory? Nako. So, dinami-dami ng term na pwede mong gamitin. Pinapersonal mo ba tong si Remulla? Ha? Coco? Ha? Ay, nako. Bakit theory? Ulitin natin
Because it is not something that we want replicated all over the
Theory.
country, that we glorify people who do not obey the law.
Well, at any rate, Mr. Chairman, siguro in due time that the theory of our secretary will be tested in court.
Theory daw. Pwede mo namang sabihin kung the DOJ secretary himself believes na ito ay factual, then well, at any rate, in due time, pag pwede mong maano itong facts mo in court, sabi niya. Pero theory ang sabi niya.
But of course, I will side with
Yun.
the freedom of our people to speech. No?
Kudos, salute sa iyo, Coco Pimentel. Yung katabi mo diyan, oh. Anong ginagawa? DDS pa man din. Ay, DDS.
To associate and to
Wala ka
make
bang
known to the
sasabihin,
public,
Senator Bato?
facts and opinions. Wala namang mali sa opinion Opinion.
Hmm.
So at any rate, Mr. Chairman, I think our senior lawyer in the Senate wants to say something. Hindi pa, pero is my time over, Mr. Chairman?
You've had two and a half rounds already.
Baka
You've been very liberal.
consumed by Senator counted against me, Mr. Chairman. Sige, siguro. Sa next round na lang
Give
kay
him a chance
I'll go to the COA.
Ayan, believe ka kasi kinain nyo yung time niya ni Coco Pimentel. Ginamit nyo yung time niya doon sa, hindi naman pagtatanggol doon sa tatlong vloggers, but parang ginamit niya yung time na yun para to imply to the nation na hindi porket Department of Justice Secretary ka, pwede mong gawin ito sa mga 'di ba? Kasi instead na kita mo naman, no? Instead na gawin yung trabaho, pinag-initan yung mga vloggers.
The COA findings, meron.
Donate half of my time to the good minority leader.
Ito, buti pa ito si si Senator Tolentino. Kasi nag-follow up question siya ng ganito, tignan mo.
Perhaps he can still apprise this committee. Sino ba yung tinutukoy yung tatlong vloggers? Ano ba yun? Kasi marami ako na, can you identify and the incident itself? For the record, just to be part of the records of this committee hearing. Sino po ba? Ano
Hindi ako nanonood no. Nanonood ko is the press conference of our secretary. So secretary, if you can identify the 3 bloggers na gusto mong pailan ng contempt charges before the court.
ano po yung insidente? Kasi ang dami pong...
Sir, sorry, I don't have their names now, sir.
Wala pala siyang pangalan eh. Pero press con ka, interview ka, kakasuhan yung tatlong vloggers, ganito, ganyan. Pero hanggang dun lang, wala ka palang action. Kaya yung sinasabi mo, paano na kami maniniwala ngayon na pag sinasabi mo na ginagawa po natin ang trabaho natin, we are monitoring his movement, alam namin, nasa norte siya, may pinangalangan sang isang barangay. So parang, ngayon, paano na kami maniniwala sa iyo, Boying Remulla? Diba? With all of your mga pahayag, na parang, kung titignan mo at first, parang makatotohanan, pero wala ka palang ginagawa. Nakaupo ka lang. Wala. Siguro masipag ka lang sa press con, sa interviews. Doon lang. Other than that, wala ka talagang ginagawa.
I cannot answer that question now.
Sir, Mr. Chairman, how about yung wanted person na in-interview nila?
The interviewee.
Interviewee.
The interviewers, hindi
Ito lang yung tinanong ni Senator Bato, but wala siyang follow-up, di ba? What's the purpose of asking without even follow-up? Bantag. Alam mo na yan ay appointee ni Tatay Digong. Wala man lang kaming maramdaman na pagtatanggol. Buti pa pala yung sinasabi natin, dilaw yan si Coco, basta yan si Coco, Kumbaga makikita mo, yung in-expect mo na magsasalita, yung pa ang wala.
natin alam kung sino, but the interviewee, the subject,
Mayroon,
Subject was Mr. Bantag.
okay.
Yun lang. Ganun lang? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr. Chairman.
Secretary. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So, yun lang. Yun lang ang comment natin dyan. Sa wakas, nakahanap pa ng katapat. Nasunog ka, Boying. Buti nga sa'yo.